Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to record in your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you make a call and you want to record that call on your iPhone iOS 18 without using any external app on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and here you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after that, what you have to do, you have to go back. Now what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version on your iPhone iOS 18. For this, you have to simply go to setting, general, and after that you have to go to software update. And if it's showing any kind of update, then you have to install the latest iOS update on your iPhone. Basically, with the latest iOS 18 update, iPhone has provided with call recording feature. So before this, you have to make a call, and after that, as your call received, you will find the option of call recording on your iPhone. But if it is not showing on your iPhone iOS 18, then you have to wait for some time, because it is only available in limited countries and region. So you have to wait for some time. Moreover, it also only available in limited device like iPhone 14, 15 and 16 and other devices. So you have to wait for some time so that it can also be available on lower devices of the iPhone. So for this, what you have to do, you have to wait, and after that you can simply check for the latest software update. And in that software update, you will get that feature of call recording on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.